When you own a Lexus F model, every detail matters, but sometimes the factory gear knob just feels lacking. This Extension black leather gear shift knob promises to fix that crucial connection point, delivering luxury and performance in one small, yet vital package. We're looking at a dedicated upgrade for the RCF from 2014 through 2021 and the GSF from 2012 to 2018. This isn't some universal fitment, it's tailored, and that's where the quality starts to show. The first thing you notice when you handle this knob is the material. It's genuine leather, and the claim that you will feel comfortable touching it is absolutely true. It has a substantial, premium feel that immediately elevates the cabin experience. Let's talk dimensions. At 3.35 inches long and 2.16 inches wide, it's sized perfectly to fill the palm without being bulky. This is crucial for spirited driving where you need a firm, confident grip. The workmanship is described as particularity, which translates in the real world to tight, clean stitching and a flawless integration with the included boot. This seamless look is what separates a cheap aftermarket part from a true OEM-level upgrade. One of the best special features listed is easy to install. For performance enthusiasts who prefer DIY upgrades, knowing this is a straightforward swap is a huge relief. You want to spend time driving your F-car, not wrestling with interior trim. Coupled with the sturdy feature, this suggests a solid, rattle-free fitment that will hold up to years of aggressive shifting. The black color is classic, maintaining the sophisticated, performance-oriented aesthetic of the Lexus F line. This isn't a flashy modification, it's a refinement. It's about improving the tactile feedback and the visual continuity of the interior. For a relatively small investment, you are fundamentally changing the primary interface you have with the transmission. Ultimately, the Extension black leather gear shift knob delivers exactly what it promises: a comfortable, sturdy, and visually superior replacement for the stock unit. If you're looking for a simple, high-impact upgrade that respects the luxury and performance heritage of your RCF or GSF, this is an outstanding choice. It's a small detail that makes a massive difference every time you reach for the shifter.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.